Okay, so let's look at how to multiply using the box method. Here are 3 things that you will need to know: how to decompose or break down a number, place value, and of course your multiplication facts. So first, let's look at how to decompose a number. First things first. So you are breaking it down by hundreds, tens, and ones in this case. So what plus what plus what in my hundreds, tens, and ones will give me 345. So 300 plus 40 plus 5 will give me 345. 48. 40 plus 8. And 210. 200 plus 10. Normally we can stop right there, but for place value sake and to help you understand place value, just add your 0 right there. Try the next 3 by yourself. Check your responses. Do they match mine? Let's look at our first practice question. 48 times 34. First, let's decompose our numbers to determine how many boxes we need. Now we know we need 4 boxes total, 2 by 2. Now we can start to multiply. 3 times 4, that gives me 12, plus 1, 2 zeros. 30 plus times 8 gives me 24 plus 1 0. 4 times 4 gives me 16 plus 1 0. And then 4 times 8 gives me 32. Next, we just add up all the numbers. So 240 plus 32, that gives me 272. And that gives me 1,360. Now let's add those two up. And this should be your answer. 1,632. Let's try another one. Okay, let's repeat this same process. Let's decompose 176. 100 plus 70 plus 6. 50 plus 8. So I need a box that is 3 by 2. Now I can start multiplying. 5 times 1, 5 with 1, 2, 3 zeros. 5 times 7, 35 with 2 zeros. 5 times 6, 30 with 1 0. 8 times 1, 8 with 2 zeros. 8 times 7, 56 with 1 0. And then 8 times 6 gives me 48. Now, again, let's add them together. And let's add these three numbers to get my final answer. And this should be your final answer. Check your work. Let's try one final practice problem. Okay, let's start off again by decomposing. My box will be 3 by 3. One times 3 gives me 3 plus 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 times 1 gives me 1 with 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Anything times 0 will give me 0. So 100 times 0 is 0. Same here. 0 times 300, 0, 0, and 0. Let's go. 8 times 3, that's 24 with 1, 2 zeros. 8 times 1, that gives me 8 with 1 0. And then 8 times 0 gives me 0. Next, let's add it up. Okay, we have our total. So now I'm going to add these numbers up to figure out my final answer. And no need to add the 0. 0, 8, 4, 3, 3. 33,480. Now it's time for some independent practice. Try these questions independently. Pause here. To practice independently. Now check your responses. How did you do? Well, until next time.